Hi friends, this is Chitra. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to discuss what is volume and how can we trade using the volume. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. What do I mean by volume? Volume in the stock market means total number of shares traded for the specified time frame. Say for example, if trader A buys 100 stocks and trader B sells 100 stocks. So the total volume traded for that particular time frame is or particular day is 200, even though the total quantity is 100 for that particular stock or for that particular company. Volumes are high when the stocks are actively traded and volumes are less if the stocks are less actively traded. So we will see in this video how can we trade using the volume along with the price action.
Volume candlestick trading strategy. How to trade with the volume. Okay. So, how volume of the trade works? Each market exchange tracks its trading volume and provides volume data. The volume of trade numbers are reported as often as once an hour throughout the current trading day. These hourly reported trade volumes are the estimates. Okay, so here this is the bullish candlestick pattern. The current candle close is above the previous bullish candle close. This means that this is the bullish pattern. So we need to understand the bullish and the bearish pattern in order to trade. Now, what is the bearish pattern? If the current candle close is below the previous bearish candle close, then that is the bearish pattern. So here we can see the red candle. If the price is opening below the low of the red candle, we can see that there is a bearish pattern. That is a bearish trend is going to form. So this is called bearish pattern. Candlestick trading is one of the most effective ways of interpreting prices and emotions of other traders when trading in the market. So it is very necessary to understand what is the candlestick and what is the candlestick trying to tell us. So candlestick is the only way of communication between we and the market. So we need to understand the candlestick pattern. That is the way of trading with the price action. So what are the questions that we need to understand when we are doing the trading? First is, what is candlestick? Volume of trade. Next is the principles for analyzing volume and candlesticks. That is how to correlate the volume with the candlestick. Next is trading candlesticks with the volume confirmation. So we have to understand what is the importance of volume in our trading along with the candlestick pattern. Okay. What is candlesticks? So candlesticks are the reflections of what buyers and sellers are doing. So say for example, if the candle is a green candle, what does that mean? Okay, means the buyers are in control. That is bullish trend. Okay, and if there is a red candle, it means that sellers are in control. Okay, so the candlestick will tell you what buyers and sellers are doing. We will know that there is a buying is happening and there is selling is happening by looking into the chart. Okay, so but is that only enough for us to trade? No, right? We need to understand where the traders are putting more volume in trading, whether they are trading with huge volume in buying or whether they are trading with a huge volume in the selling. So candles tell you who is in control but not tell you about the strength of buyers or sellers behind the move. So candlesticks will only tell you that there is buyers. Okay, if there is a green candle, we will know that the buyers are doing the more quantity. That is, we will not know the volume. So we know in order to understand the strength, we need to look into the volume. Okay. What is called volume of trade? We can see that. Okay. So volume of trade is the total quantity of shares or contracts that is traded for a specified security. Next, volume can be measured on any type of security traded during the trading day. I will tell you one example of volume of trade. Suppose market consists of two traders, trader 1 and trader 2. The first trader buys 500 shares of stock ABC and sells 250 shares of XYZ. The other trader sells those 500 shares and buys the 250 shares of stocks XYZ to the first trader. So what will be the total volume of trade in the market? That is 750. How? That is 500 shares of ABC plus 250 shares of XYZ shares. Okay, this is because we do not double count the volume. When trader 1 buys 500 shares from trader 2, only 500 shares are counted. Likewise, only 250 shares of XYZ would be recorded on the volume tally. Now we can see how can we correlate the candlesticks with the volume. Okay, so this is the Nifty and I have taken the 1 hour time frame chart. So you can take any time frame chart in which type of trader you are. Like if you are trading for intraday, you can take 5-15 minutes chart. If you are doing for swing, you can go for 1 hour or daily time frame chart. So here for your understanding, I have taken the 1 hour time frame chart of Nifty. So you can see here we can see that the volume is more and the candlestick also green in color. What does this means? This means that the buyers are aggressive. Okay, buyers are aggressive at this point. Okay, so this means that there is a huge volume also and the buyers are aggressive, and after when you see that there is a uptrend in the market, after that we can see that there is a huge move, that is a rally in the market, that is the price which started moving after that. Okay, what do we mean by high volume down? We can see this is the red candle, and when you compare the volume also more. What does this means? That is sellers are aggressive. Okay, so here sellers are aggressive, that's why they are putting the more volume. Okay, here in this red candle. So after that when you see that there is a fall in the market. Okay, below this candle, if we are looking for a short trade, we can see that there is a huge fall in the market. So this is how we have to correlate the candlesticks with the volume. So it will be easy for us to enter into the long and short accordingly. So till now we have seen buyers and sellers are aggressive, that is volume up and volume down. Now the volume is low, that there is low volume. Okay, so here we can see the volume is low here. Okay, and when you see the candlesticks also, that there is no move in the market, that is price is like in the consolidation phase. So when the volume is less, that is volume is low, it means that buyers and sellers are in control, that there is no volume for the buyers and sellers. So market will be in the sideways, that is the consolidation phase. Here also we can see that the volume is very less and we can see that the price is within the range. Okay, what are the important things that we have to consider when we are trading with the candlestick and with the volume? Okay, first thing is the length of any wick, either to the top or to the bottom, is the first focus. Why? Because it instantly shows the strength, weakness or indecision and where the smart money enters. Okay, so here we can see the wick at both the sides. Okay, and this is a bullish candlestick pattern. Here wick is at the down and here we can see the wicks. So it is very important to identify what types of candlesticks are when we are trading with the candlesticks and with the volume. So in order to trade with the volume, we need to add the indicator in the trading view. Okay, so go to indicator and type volume. Click on OK. So with the candlesticks and with the volume we can trade. But for double confirmation, I would like to add one more indicator, that is VWAP, that is volume weighted average price. Click on this. Now go to the settings and we want only the VWAP. So we are unchecking the other. Now click on OK. Okay. So now how we will trade? Here we can see in this candle the volume is more when we compare to the previous candle. Alright. Here the volume is more. So when we see this red candle, that is a 9:15 candle of 22nd February. So below this candle we can initiate the sell trade. Below this red candle we can initiate a sell trade. Alright, and this candle also gave close below the VWAP, and you can see on that day how the price was in the downtrend, that is we got a down move on that particular day. Okay. So the stop loss will be the high of this red candle. So this is how we need to trade with the volume. Alright. Now we can see how to enter into the long trade. That is if the price is above VWAP and volume is more. Here we can see this is the 9:15 candle of Friday. That is March 23, third Friday. Okay. So here the volume also more. in this particular green candle, one can enter into the long trade above this green candle. And when we compare the volume also more when we compare with the previous volume candles. And after that, in Nifty, we got good up move. That is, the price was fully in the uptrend on that particular day. Okay, so this is how we need to correlate the volume and with the candlesticks. Okay, this is the Bank Nifty. Okay, this is the 9:15 candle of Friday 17th March 23. Okay, here we can see this is the red candle, and we got this candle close below the VWAP. All right, and when we look into the volume we can see that volume is also more in this particular red candle. So one can enter into the short trade below this red candle, and we can see the price was trading below the VWAP on the whole day, and we got nice down move. Okay. Alright, so this is how we need to understand the volume and with the candlesticks. That is how to trade with the volume and with the candlesticks. Again, when we look into this particular green candle, we can see the volume is more when we compare with the previous volume. When we compare with the previous volume, here we have more volume. So, in this candle, the volume is more. Alright, when we compare with the previous volume candles, and after that we can see that Bank Nifty gave nice up move, that is price move up. Okay, so one can enter into the long trade above this green candle. And when we see the volume candles, all the candles, that is all the consecutive candles is having more volume. This is my Telegram channel, that is Trader Chitra. So those who are want to join my Telegram channel, they can log in, and this is a free channel. Here I will be posting the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for tomorrow. That is daily I will be posting the support and resistance for the next day. So you can use this chart and you can trade. And here also I will share the levels like Bank Nifty and Nifty levels, major resistance and the major support. Also I will be sharing on everyday analysis. Here I will be sharing my live analysis. So those who are interested can join my Telegram channel. Thank you. Hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon too for my upcoming video notifications. Thank you for watching.